Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12S, and today I'll show you how you can add widgets. Click on the home screen, then tap on the widgets. Right now you can pick widget that you want to apply. In my case I will go for the weather, so tap on the widget that you want to put on your screen. Then you can choose different theme. I'm going for the first one, click add. Right now you have to add location, so simply configure your widget. I'm going to select my city, it's Krakow, and if you want to move that widget for another screen you have to click hold and then drag it here. Then we can simply change size of that widget, click outside to confirm. When you tap on it, the weather application or your application that you apply here will be open. You can refresh also by tapping on this arrow, and you can also remove it by tapping here. And as you can see, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.